on the beats. Pt.1 domot. Take over. Take over. Take over. Take over. Walexy. Take over. Nico Rose. Take over. Abuneku. Take over. Let them know. Take over. Walexy. Take over. Nico Rose.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I'm still on top of the late night show. Now every day be like this. Okay, so I got my first guest in the building. This guy now artist, now person who wants to see every on top in whole level. Okay, you know, on top of this show, we always try our best possible to make sure say we give the platform to people that when they try and make them through in the industry. All right. So my first guest for today, ladies and gentlemen, in name now Walexy. Walexy, yes.
Yeah,
Walexy.
Ogbolor.
Sometimes when we introduce people, they can't sing maybe one line of their song, or some people they get the chant. When they chant first, one guy will bring last week. I just call his name. Yeah, the guy will shout, "Wayo!" Fear catch me. I say, "What be that one?" He say, "Nine ginger, nine swag with that."
But when you introduce me, I call Ogbolor because I like her with about.
Oh, you they like Ogbolor soup?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, me I not to they like her. But you get anything with the shout if you enter stage like "Wayo" or "Legs, baby."
No, not be. I did do them well.
Oh, okay, now be your own.
Yeah.
I did do them well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to introduce you again now.
Why?
You can't do your. I did do them well.
Yeah.
You understand? You go speak up, oh. All right. So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, Walexy.
Do them well.
Hey, do them well.
Hey.
Huh.
Make tongue no go follow him.
No, me I dey sing that here now.
Hey,
I dey sing that here. How far now?
I'm cool,
Your
bro.
bling. I noticed the way you walk out now. Carry your leg up first.
Na polo.
Oh,
polo
your
rap.
boot. As you walk out like this just now, say, I be the heavy. I mean, your swag.
You know the Votron, no. I just polo with this one.
Na just polo.
Yeah.
But you know the heavy you shall.
Nah, at all.
No, your swag.
Yes,
How far now, Walexy?
I'm blessed.
Where the name come out from? Say you Walexy now your name as Wale. I be na say they just boys just they call you the name.
No, I be Wale.
He be Wale.
Yeah, I be Wale.
So you know Yoruba boy like this.
I be Yoruba boy, pure Yoruba.
But not be like Yoruba boy. You be like all those Delta boys.
Are you
aside.
serious? And because of I grew up from Delta home.
Oh, which side for Delta? Oh, for
Yeah.
Delta home.
Yeah, people.
Okay, people that will surround you.
Yeah, they surround me. Yeah.
Okay, so how far with the music industry for you now?
Everything I've been going very blessed by God, you know.
Okay. So how many years now don't they in the industry? Because this question, I like I like to ask this question.
Yeah.
Like me and some boys talk with Jay. They say some people say, we ask them how many years have you been in the industry? They will say 15 years. I say you are still upcoming. You are no more upcoming. You have changed in the ministry. So how many years done for this industry?
Yeah, if I could count it way back, like 7 years, 6 years now.
Okay, so professionally, 7 years.
Yeah. No. When I start, when
you start you discover yourself and everything.
Yeah.
But say professionally now, like how many years?
Let's just put it like 3 years now.
Like 3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so Walexy don't get how many singles now and things.
Man, album is almost.
You don't ready to the drop, have you?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Because before the end of today's show, Walexy will perform for us. We will see every. All right.
Yeah,
now, Walexy, you will need to speak up.
Oh my God.
No, let swagger. You know, say get a swag. Say the whole person. If you notice me now, I wear suit. On a good day, like welcome on top of the late night show. But this swagger, people go sleep for house.
Hey.
You understand? So I need to do say, ha,
Nah,
hey, we, I know where.
I see.
You understand? So now the suits they form packaging.
For real.
So no let your
The swag
packaging
on,
swag
you
on
understand,
key
tile
your
everything
ginger.
down,
You understand me
yeah.
now? I drop one gist just now about one cleric for India. We talk say me they cut broadcast simply because you want to be closer to God. Like I asked my guy just now, if they tell you that kind of thing,
Yeah.
say your pastor just wake up one day, Walexy, do one well. Cause say, Walexy,
Yeah, do
cut out.
I go ask the pastor, which pastor you be? You be Adeboye or Kumuyi
Why?
or which
I
one?
don't mean no. If not me,
Yeah.
I would like say, open your own see.
Abi?
Seriously, pastor, if you all don't cut, forget I cut all my toe, join my own self. Seriously. So you now your own say you no go agree.
Greek, eh?
So that means you no one go heaven now.
Why? I beg, make the heaven hold himself first. Yeah, now so now.
So that means you rather.
When I come from heaven, I complete come. So when I won't come off for this earth,
you go complete. And so that means if they give you alternative now, say go to hell with your full self or go to heaven with your half self. Which one you go choose?
and I hear them they talk that one. Unless they tell me from heaven, say, nigga, you know.
You be like who they argue for church where? You be like who go like argue for church where they say in the beginning for where? Which beginning?
When I dey come from heaven, they don't give me tax. Say if I reach life, may I drop my this thing for you. Yeah.
Well, anyway, Trisha, you get one of your video we'll go play now.
Yeah.
And then when we come back, you just give us final gist on top of that particular video. All right. So we will take a Walexy video sharp. And what's the title of this particular song?
This one is Me O Like Ode.
Me O Like Ode.
Yeah. Yes, for Lagos.
You like Ode.
At all.
Okay, when we come back, we go ask you the question of Me O Like Ode. Why you are no like Ode? All right, we dey come back now. So who come be the Ode now? We dey come back.